Oh snap! What do we got here? What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Sonner's Lifestyle. Today we inside the house because it's cold outside, but guess what we just got? We got a package in the mail. Wonder what we got here. Oh snap, who do we have in the background? Who is that beautiful woman? What's your name, girl? That's my wife. Anyway, so I had to bring y'all on to show you my wife. I brought you on to show you what I got in this brown little package. Let's go ahead and open this up, man. So if you're just tuning in today, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a like, share, comment at the end of the video if you don't mind. But yeah, man, I want to open up this package and see what I got in here. So let me set the camera down real quick, or have my partner hold it for me real fast.
Yeah, with all these hands.
Yeah.
Looking at the dogs.
All right, I got the package. Package, please. So opening this up. I already know what it is. I'm just gonna tell y'all what it is while I'm opening it up. So I ordered some decals for the 3rd gen because obviously I just wrapped the car and I had to take the old decals off to put new decals on. So this is what it should be. And voila, new decals. So
Where'd you order them from?
I ordered these from Hawks Motorsport. They got a lot of Chevy stuff there, a lot of Chevy Camaro type things, man, at that company. So they're pretty much the same ones I had on there before, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to put those on today. It is kind of crap outside. Let me show them what it looks like so far right now outside. So it looks pretty bad if you look out the window, but I'm gonna put them on anyways because I want to put them on. And let's go ahead and get to it real fast. Let's go. All right, guys, so let me take you out here real quick into this garage. I gotta move some cars around. Definitely wanna ooh, look at that thing, boy. It's looking good. Yo, so just so you guys are aware, man, actually these rims, dropping the car off on Tuesday. I'm getting them powder coated, gloss black. There's a couple other things I'm gonna do to this car, man. I'll fill you guys in here shortly at the end of the video what I got in store next for it. Damn, I gotta shuffle some cars around real quick to get this car out so I can put these emblems on here. Actually, you know what? I'll probably just do it here in the garage. So, show you guys what I'm gonna do real quick. So, like I said, these are the emblems for it. Hawks Motorsports. That's where I got them from. They're almost like a gel type decal with the, I'm assuming, the 3M sticky on the back. So we'll put those on to replace them. So they go right here on the fender. We're on the lower side skirt right here. I need to touch up some on the wrap there, and then one on the other side, and then look at my boys' bikes, man. These kids into these bicycles, man, and scooters. The other one goes right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on real quick. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna actually put that one on first because you guys can see it without me having to move the car around. So let me set my tripod up real quick. All right, as you guys can see, this decal right here is gonna go right here. So I need to make sure I put it in the exact location. I'm gonna take this off, man, it's cold. So it's got a 3M backing on it. Make sure I put that in there just right. Just like that. Just like that. New emblems on. Actually looks clean. I like it. What you guys think? All right, let's go ahead and bring you over. Oh, it actually looks pretty good. Looks good actually with the silver rims, but I am glossing them black. So let's go ahead and put this other one on real fast. The other one's gonna go, like I said, right here. So as you can see, that slit is up because I made it that way. So let's go ahead and throw that on there real fast. All right, guys. Yes, I had to move some cars around. So I'm gonna pull the third gen out real quick. That way I can get a full footage of the car as well as the new decals on it. So I still gotta put the side ones on the rocker panel on both sides. So let me pull the car out real quick and we'll get that going. So let me set you guys up real fast. Yo, it's an old car, man. It's been sitting in the garage for a little bit too, though. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these decals on. So as you guys can see, I need to put one right here. If you're looking at it, I need to touch up the wrap right here on as well. Yeah, let's go ahead and throw that on real quick. Set you guys back up real quick, that way you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm gonna take one of these off here. It says it's got a double-sided tape on it. I'll make sure I line it up just right. Alright, so it's on there. It's clean. I said I need to touch up. There's just some little spots on the wrap I still need to touch up here. Inside the hole there, I need to touch that up. I still need to put the molding on the side because as you can see through the wrap, you can still kind of see some of that adhesive. So I'll put that molding back on there. But for the most part, it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and get you to the other side. Do the other side as well. Let me go ahead. I think I got some. I need to trim some of this off. Yeah, let me go ahead and give me a knife real quick. Cut that. you go. Emblems are on. So looks cleaner. Like it. Looks good. So like I said, what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna either throw some wrap in here or I'm gonna black that out. I still need to put the molding right here on the side to finish up the obviously the molding. And so like I said, telling you guys on Tuesday, dropping the car off, getting the wheels all gloss black. What I have on order right now is I got some tire stickers coming. And what I did was I did something a little different on these tire stickers. I went with the inverted look from tirestickers.com. Got the Dunlop insignia on the tire sticker itself with like 4 tick marks, and I got that duplicated to put on one tire, so it's going to be 2 sets of it on each tire. So I definitely tried to get that, as you guys see my last video, we tried to put this 295/30 tire on here, and man, I'm telling you, it was just, I think it was too meaty when it came to the width, and honestly it looked kind of too big, man. It made it almost look like a truck tire. So I'm probably gonna end up just keeping these tires that I have on there now, the 255/30 stretch on it, because what I have in store and I have coming in the mail right now is some lowering springs for the front and some air shocks for the rear. So the reason why I went with the air shocks is because when I have the family in the car, it tends to bottom out on those 22s, and with the 22s, obviously that's too big of a size for this car, but I still like the look of it. And I think with the air shocks, I could put air in the back, raise it up when I have the whole family in the car if we go anywhere, and then I can lower it back down when I want to. So I do like the stance of how the wheels look, and I definitely like the look of the car with these rims because they almost look like the IROC wheels. You guys let me know what you guys think. And but yeah, so gloss black. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to tint the windshield 50% black, tint this 5%, and I found out how to tint this glass. I'm going to try it out. I've been looking on YouTube. You got this nightshade spray, but I'm not doing the nightshade spray. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to use the vinyl tint for your lights because it's flexible, and I think it will work on there. I'm going to try it out, see what it's like. From what I've seen on one video, it actually works. So definitely want to tint it out, and then I'm going to tint out the tail lights. But as you guys can see, I got that color match right here. And what I'm going to end up doing is the lens itself, I'm just going to black the lenses out. So it's going to be individual pieces of light tint, as well as the third brake light. I'm going to do the side markers and the parking light. So I was going to buy some new ones, but since I'm going to tint them out, you're not going to be able to tell that they're new or old. And then you guys let me know in the comments below. I was thinking about getting the RGB headlights. They got the halo where you can change different colors via Bluetooth. I think that'll set it off. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But yeah, man, give you guys some of this B-roll real quick. I want to try out this new what is that? Yeah, I want to try out this new gimbal, man. So I'm about to give you guys some of this B-roll, see how this looks. Y'all guys let me know if the camera looks a lot more sturdy. But we're gonna give you this B-roll real quick in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Ldubbeats got that fire.
All right, guys, so yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video. It's a short clip video. It's cold out here. I got some things I need to take care of today, and I'd like to get some rolling footage of the Camaro. Probably get it done. Probably get you guys a before on Tuesday, taking the car up to the shop, and then getting you guys an after of me picking it up with the black rims on it. So I think the black rims are definitely gonna set it off. I think this car came out pretty good for my third time attempting to wrap a full car. This would be the second car that I've done though, because the Jag I attempted it twice. The OXJ40 I had, and I think it came out pretty good. So I like the color of it. The sun does hit it pretty nice. It gives it like a little pearl look to it. But eventually when I get it back to the States, I'm definitely gonna get it painted. I'm gonna strip it down when I do the LS swap on it, and get it completely painted in jams and all. Get all the stock interior pieces redone, the seats re-cushioned, re-wrapped, all that stuff. So I'm definitely gonna keep everything original inside the car minus the CD player. I did put a subwoofer in there. I got a 10-inch subwoofer in there. I like it. Sounds good. Makes me feel like I'm back in the high school days driving this car when I'm driving it. So yeah, it's coming out pretty good. But this is gonna conclude. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. I appreciate you guys viewing so far. I have reached my 1,000 subscribers, and I'm very appreciative of all the support and love I got so far from you guys. Just stay tuned. That's all. Stay tuned in. That's all I gotta say, man, because I got more videos coming, especially as the weather starts picking up and getting better. I got some things in store for the Hellcat. So as I told you guys, I'm gonna throw those 24-inch Ford Giottos back on the Hellcat. I'm taking the car up. Like I said, when I'm taking the car up to the rim shop, I got the guy there. He's gonna test one of them out, see if he can powder coat them the way I want. The main issue is trying to put them back together with that amount of powder coat, because it's a 3-piece wheel, and the amount of powder coat they put on the rims, from what I'm gathering, is if they put too much on there, the rims might not go back together perfectly without scratching up the final product. So, and they don't want to do that. So, and at the end of the day, I just want to get it done because I want to put these rims back on the Hellcat. Now, the way I got my vision of how the color match is going to work, and how I plan on changing some stuff up on the Hellcat for the summer, you guys gonna really like it. But yeah, other than that, man, I'm about to roll out of here. I appreciate it again for all the love and support, man, and I'm out.